Hellcat.
Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Tanmai's Experiments. In today's video, we are gonna learn about a bulb. First, let's see how light bulb works. A bulb is made up of a positive and a negative terminals embedded inside glass with a tungsten filament that joins the two. When electricity is supplied to the terminals, the flow of electrons heats up the thin filament in between. The electrons continue to bang against the filament until it heats up to the point that it begins to glow. Now let's see parts of a bulb. The outer glass shell of the light bulb is called the globe. The glass ensures maximum light efficiency and provides strong support to the other parts of the bulb. The filament inside the light bulb is shaped as a coil to allow the required length of tungsten within the small environment to produce an abundant amount of light. Tungsten is a natural solid material and a chemical element which is brittle in its raw state, but a purer form is very strong. It has to be as the filament heats up to blistering 2550 degrees Celsius. Within the inner center of the light bulb, there is a centralized stem made from glass which supports the filament in its place. The connecting wires ensure the steady flow of electricity through the components of the light bulb. Unseen within the light bulb are inert gases, usually of argon or nitrogen. These low pressure gases prevent the filament inside the bulb from burning out. It also relieves some of the stress on the glass globe from normal atmospheric pressure, lessening the chance of glass breakage. The base of the light bulb has three main functions. First, it securely supports the light bulb within an electrical source unit, like a lamp or a light fixture. The second job of the base is to transfer the electricity from the main electrical source to the inside of the light bulb itself. The last function is to secure the globe and all the components inside the bulb, creating a reliable and convenient light source. Friends, the parts of the bulb are glass bulb, gas filling, tungsten filament, support wires, lead wires, dumet wire, exhaust tube, stem, fuse and cap. Friends, now let's see few facts about bulb and Thomas Alva Edison. While it's an oversimplification to say that Thomas Edison invented the light bulb, he was one of the first people to create a useful one and with modifications. His design has stood the test of time, although incandescent bulbs of the type Edison developed are still in use today. Modern consumers have a few other options: compact fluorescent CFL and light emitting diode. LED bulbs are two of the most common. They work on different principles and provide just as much light as incandescents, and they consume less energy. Thomas Edison, born in Milan, Ohio, February 11, 1847. Thomas Alva Edison credited his mother for the success of his ever-inquisitive mind, once saying, "My mother was the making of me. She understood me. She let me follow my bent." Edison worked as a newspaper carrier and telegrapher, but invention was his calling. From his childhood hobby of chemical experimentation to become a legendary inventor, he constantly tinkered with new and better ways of doing things. He patented his first invention, an electric voting machine, in 1868. From there, he filed patents for the phonograph, motion picture camera, advances in telephone technology, and over 1,000 other inventions. Light bulb pioneers. Thomas Edison did not invent the incandescent light bulb. 23 different light bulbs were developed before Edison's. The principle was to pass an electric current through the filament powerful enough to cause it to glow without combusting. Among the pre-Edison pioneers of electric lighting, Sir Humphrey Davy created the first electric arc lamp in 1809. Warren D. Larue designed the first incandescent light in 1820. Larue's design depended on platinum filament, far too expensive for any practical application. Over half a century of experimentation focused primarily on finding an expensive filament that could produce electric light for any useful length of time. Friends, hope you learned something about the invention of Thomas Alva Edison, that is the bulb. So, thank you for watching. If you like this video, do like, share, comment, subscribe to Tanmai's experiments. Also activate the bell icon to be notified by the upcoming videos.
Cut.